Okay, guys, today we're gonna learn about the functions. It's on chapter 6, part 2. After we plot the Cartesian diagram, we now doing the a little algebra, and it has to be done on our chapter 5. So what we do today is only having our recall, okay, recalling the previous topic whenever you memorize or not. Okay, and I hope you memorize all the idea about functions or about the algebra. Okay, so as you can see in front of you the screen, and you can look at your book. So open next page of chapter 6 part 6.2. So it is on top of the number uh, of the page, I mean on top of the pages. Okay, please someone speak out loud. What is the function? Look at your book. Michael, what is the function? Read the square here. Read the letter, the sentences. Okay, thank you, Michael. A function is a relationship between two variables x and y, such that every input x produces exactly one output y. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, we start to the point. Okay, just go to the point here. The practice now. Let us finish this. I will copy paste one by one, so you can see this clearly. Okay, you can solve this. So we have this. The equation of a function is y equals 2x minus 3. Okay, so this is the function as it is given on your book also. You can look at your book as well. And then this will be the function y equals 2x subtract 3. Y equals 2x subtract 3. So part 1, find the value of y x equals to 4. What does it mean? You put x as 4, right? So look at this, what I circle, x as 4, right? So y equals 2 times 4, careful, 8 subtract 3, 5. That's it, good, nice answer. And that's the answer. Easy, right? Is it? No, x is already 4, right? So you only find the value of y. Understand? Okay, keep paying attention. I only give you discussion about 2 questions, and I will give you extra questions to be discussed later. Now, next. Y equals 2x minus 3. And the y is negative 5. So how do you do this? You put the y as negative 5. That's it. Change the y as negative 5. That's all what you need to do. What is the x then? Unknown, right? Because part 1 and part 2 are disconnected. You have no connection. You cannot put 4 here. Wrong, totally. Okay, so 2 times x minus 3. Why? Because we are finding the value of x that we still don't know yet. Because it is given by the question, right? So you just insert. So what are you doing right now? You move the 2x to the left side as usual. That's what I usually do. Negative 2x, right? Equals negative 3 stays. Why? Because it is still on the right side. The negative 5 go to the right side. Plus 5. Okay? So negative 2x equals 2. So how do you find the x? Over negative 2, right? Negative 1. That's it. Any question? Easy. Easy, yeah? So I don't underestimate, but really it is easy for you. Why? Because you already learned this on our chapter 5, on our previous chapter. Okay, I'll send this to you in detail. So after we learn about the Cartesian diagram, we try to focus on the function. I will delete this. Just do copy one by one. And then one last question about the fraction. Okay. So this is more challenging. Why? Because we deal with fraction. But the rules are the same, guys. Look. Find the value of y when x equals 0. We have y equals negative 1 over 3x subtract 2 over 5. Okay. Next, so you put the x as 0 here. So y equals negative 1 over 3 times 0 subtract 2 over 5. Get it, guys? Just change the number or substitute the letter by the number. What is 1 over 3 times 0? Negative 1 over 3 times 0. 0. 0 minus 2.2 over 5. What is it? Negative 2 over 5. It is unchanged. It remains the same. Okay, get the idea? Next, part 2. Find the value of x when y equals negative 2 over 3. Why? Rewrite one more time. I usually do this in order to avoid the mistakes. Y equals negative 2 over 3, negative 1 over 3x minus 2 over 5. Get it? You put the x to the right side, it becomes plus. Right? Be careful. 1 out of 3x equals negative 2 over 5 stays on the right hand side, plus 2 out of 3. Do we have to do something else? Yeah. Make the denominator equal times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, right? And then you can just do this. 1 over 3x, I just write x over 3, can I? Or, yeah, let it be. No problem. 1 over 3 equals negative 6 over 15 plus 10 over 15. We just make the denominator equal. You don't have to write it twice. If you want to write it twice, can you? Yes, but it's not efficient. Okay, make it efficient. If you can do further, you can just write negative 6 plus 10 becomes 4, right? But again, it's too fast in my, if I want to have my opinion. Okay, so negative 6 plus 10, do it one by one, slow but sure. 15, right? Yeah, 1 over 3x. So x equals 4 over 15 divide by 1 out of 3, right? Times by, yeah, switch. If you divide by something, you have to multiply by the switch version. Yeah, you can simplify. Divide by 3, divide by 3, right? So it will become 4 out of 5, that's right. For the answer. Do you have any questions so far? No? Are you sure? Okay, let's do the other. So what to do with this function? Here. This is the thing that you need to know. Draw the line or draw the equation. Draw y equals 2x minus 3. I will make it simple number by x equals negative 2, negative 1, negative 0, negative 0, no negative 0, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, guys, so what you have to do now? Draw the line or draw the function. Let's see, we have the function or the points that is always in terms of x comma y, right? So you create y, a table, and x and y, and you plot it negative 2, negative 1, right? And then 0, 1, and 2. Wait, what did I do? There you go. 0, 1, and 2. Right? Because it is given start from negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Look at this, guys. What is the function? The function of y equals 2x minus 3. Okay. So if x equals negative 2, what is the value of y? Get it, guys? What is the value of y? 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Get it? Negative 4 minus 3. Negative 7. Understand? How about negative 1? You change the x by negative 1. 2, negative 1, minus 3. Negative 5. Who still don't get the idea? Please raise hand. Okay, we know which part that you still don't understand. Which part? Can you explain me? Sorry? The top one? Okay, let's do it one by one. Again, guys, don't underestimate every question. Every question are worth it to be answered. So we have the function y equals 2x minus 3, right? And by x equals negative 1, negative 2, 0, 1, and 2. So find the value of y, right? So y equals 2x minus 3. If x equals negative 2, you put 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Get it? Everyone? Yeah. Okay, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, minus 3, negative 7. Right? And how about negative 1? Do it one more time. You just change the x. 2 times negative 1 minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3. Minus 5. Right? Are you following? Okay, nice. If 0, you put the x as 0, 0 minus 3, negative 3. That's it. Plus 2. 2x minus 3. 2 times 1, subtract 3. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. That's it. Plus 1. Right? You just change all the x's. See this? 1, yeah. 1 is the answer. Yeah, that's it. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Jacob says that, and it is right. So, 1. And then what next? You have to draw. You don't only do the line, do the x and y. Okay, I will find the millimeter block. Okay, moment. There you go. So after we have x and y, we have to plot on the line 0, negative 3, 1, negative 1, 2, 1. Understand, guys? So we need to look at the point here. So from negative 2 to 2, start here, negative 2, right? I will write here, negative 2, negative 1, 0. You cannot put 0 like this. You have to put 0 here because it's the origin. Understand? 1 and then 2. And you pull a horizontal line and create the vertical line on this part. Okay, understand, guys? And then look, negative 2, negative 7. So you have to put below negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay, plot. Negative 2, wait, I think I need to put it here. A bit to the right, there you go. Thanks. Okay, so I can zoom it in a bit, zoom in. Okay, negative 2, negative 7. So where does it point at? Josephine, you can go in front, pick the point. Yeah. That's right. You know how to do? Do you know how to explain to your friend why it's here? Yes, x first, right? X first here, and then 7. Or you can just put a dot like this, proper dot. Understand? Okay, next. -1, comma -5. -1 here, -5 going down. That's the point. Take the point that you already picked. You already right. 0, -3. What is 0, -3? Brandon, come. Go to and pick. Just point it. Dot the -3. That's right. Okay, because the x is 0, right? And then 1, comma -1. X is 1, y -1. Okay, you can go further. And then 2, comma 1. This is, I forgot to put 1 here. Understand, guys? So the line will produce, if you connect the dots, you will get the line. Yes. I will use the green color here. Okay, any questions so far? So this is the function that you will learn afterwards. Yeah, sure. Oh no, not yet. 2x minus 3. Sorry? It's always a line. Okay, it's a specific line. Let's see another question. Okay, but before we do this, I will try to use the other understanding about this. So draw line y equals -1 over 3x plus 1. Okay, now you try to do by x equals -3, 0, oh, -6, -3, 0, -3, 6. I picked the number, wait, not negative anymore. I picked a specific number in order you to make it easy. Okay, now you have time to draw this in on the millimeter block. That's right. Okay, I revised the question. Why? Because we need to practice first. Don't do the hardest question. Hey guys, so let us discuss the answer about this. For those who still don't get the idea, I hope that my explanation will help you to solve this. So how do you calculate y if x equals -4, right? -4 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, right? Okay, how? Just check. -1 over 2 times -2 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and then 1, 0, -1, right? Okay, if you doubt or if you think that, oh, it might be wrong, you can put it y equals -1 over 2 times 0 plus 1, 1, right? And then you can put on and on and on after you get the idea here. Okay, and then it's a line again. So how do you draw the line? Again, draw the x starts from -4 until 4, right? Do slowly, -4. Okay, it's too small, too big. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand, guys? And then pull a straight line. And then the 0 is not supposed to be here. The 0 is located here, guys. Here, the 0 is always in the middle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. Okay, first point is -4, 3, right? -4, 3 is located here. X -4, y equals 3. There you go. And then 2, -2, 2. -2, comma 2 here. 0, 1 here, right? 2, 0, and then 4, -1. There you go. Is it a straight line also?
Yes.
Of course, yes. So how do you draw the line? Just pull like that, and then we are done. Any question? No, easy, yeah. Oh. I'll give you the easier exercise, exercise 6A. Okay, now let's see exercise 6A. What number? Let's see. Okay. I will stop the meeting.